hurts and those lies heal, and you can't sleep thinking that he lies still, so you cry still, tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give her space out, dealing with a heart that I didn't break. I'll be there for you, I will care for you, I keep thinking you just don't know, trying to run from that, say you're done with that, on your face girl it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready, when all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me, we'll change the pace and we'll just go slow. You won't ever have to worry, you won't ever have to worry, you won't ever have to hide, and you've seen all my mistakes, so look me in my eyes. 'Cause if you let me, here's what I'll do, I'll take care of you. I've loved and I've lost.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Ngina. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always being here, liking the videos and being a part of this family over here. Anyway, today is on 2nd October. Happy new month guys, by the way. I pray and I know this month will be full of blessings, a lot of love and a lot of God's favor. I want to go to a Sarit Center at Carrefour to do my monthly shopping. That's why I'm all dressed up. And let me just remove this band because yeah, it's making everything look tacky. So I want to go at Sarit Center at Carrefour specifically to do my monthly shopping, but I want to walk around Sarit and just check out a few things I might need for the house, and also go window shopping, everything. Anyway, I hope you guys are having a wonderful month. I hope September was nice to you. September was so amazing for me. I truly appreciate, and I'm always thanking God for everything. So let me go ahead. I'm going to use Matatu because I live close to Sarit Center. So I come to 20 bob. So let me just get a mat, and then I'll come back with a cup because I'll have a lot of things. And yeah, and then I'll also go for, because I'm not eating breakfast at home, seeing anything at home. Like my fridge is so empty, my cabinet, everything. So I just want to go have breakfast probably at the Daily Cafe. I like the restaurant so much, so I think I'll just go there and have breakfast first and then go shopping later and just walk around and see what I can just buy at Sarit Center, because yeah, I just want to treat myself. Anyway, let me show you guys my outfit of the day as we hop out, because I'm running late. I'm supposed to be. Guys, I'll talk to you once I'm at the supermarket. Let me just go, because at this point I'm just irritated by some things. Like the storage in my phone is giving me stress, and I'm just irritated. So let me just go and have a beautiful, nice day. I'll talk to you guys once I'm there. I just got back home, so let me just show you guys what I got, because bro, I'm so tired and I'm so irritated, like, please. So guys, I'm just eating this tasty ass cake. I've just finished filming the whole grocery shopping haul, so I'm just enjoying the cake. I love sugary stuff, like it's so freaking good. So guys, I'll talk to you guys later. Let me just go shower, take a rest, enjoy the rest of the cake once I'm done taking a shower, remove this makeup, and we just call it a day. I've done enough, so bye guys. Good morning guys, it's the next day. I look so tired and I feel so freaking tired because yesterday night I slept so late. I think I slept around 1 or 2 because I was editing that video nimalizani tu mara moja and then sleep. And I posted also on TikTok. It was crazy because I was freaking tired, but I managed to do that. So nililala pretty late, around 1 or 2 a.m. as I said earlier on. Na nikaamka around 10 because I was feeling so tired, and I'm also so tired, and I have a migraine. I think tuni because to kuchoka, but I'm currently hydrating. I hope itaisha because sitaki kukunywa dawa. My flowers are still fresh, the ones that my boyfriend got me. Nataka kuchange pia hiyo maji. And also my kitchen looks like a freaking mess because this a day niliweka tu vitu zilikuwa ziko kwa fridge, and the rest nilizata tu hapa tu kwa like the counter. So I need to fix that. I've fed my cat, Asimsumbwe, because she's always in my freaking business, and arrange the fridge. So all I need to do today is change the water, the flowers, arrange the fridge, and also clean it. Alafu bado niweke hizo vitu kwa containers, like the cereals, the Weetabix, and everything, and then just clean up my kitchen. That's everything that I'm supposed to do today. Today I'm not working because yesterday was crazy, and the day before that, hey, mimi sipunda. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later, and of course I'll show you everything that I'll be doing. So yeah, that's all for now. You guys see this mess over here? The flowers at least napatia this space, but my kitchen is a freaking mess. Like everything is everywhere. So let me just handle this freaking mess, and then we'll just talk later.
I've asked about you and they told me things, but my mind didn't change and I still feel the same. What's a life with no fun? Please don't be so ashamed. I've had mine, you've had yours, we both know. We know they won't get you like I will. My only wish is I die real, cause that truth hurts and those lies heal. And you can't sleep thinking that he lies still, so you cry still, tears all in a pillowcase. Big girls all get a little taste out, pushing me away so I give her space out. Dealing with a heart that I didn't break. I'll be there for you, I will care for you. I keep thinking you just don't know. Trying to run from that, say you're done with that. On your face, girl, it just don't show. When you're ready, just say you're ready. When all the baggage just ain't as heavy and the party's over, just don't forget me. We'll change the pace and we'll just go slow. You won't ever have to worry. You won't ever have to hide. You won't ever have to worry. You won't ever have to hide. And you've seen all my mistakes, so look me in my eyes.
'Cause if you let me, here's what I'll do. I'll take care of you. I've loved and I've lost. Few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Guess I'm doing what I want.
just some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, but mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is to Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Guess I'm doing what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want. Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want.
In the meantime,
Guess I'm doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
In the meantime,
Guess I'm doing what I want.
get some me time.
You doing what you want.
Maybe I'll love myself, I don't know. Leave me here, I'll fuck myself. See me in the mirror, I duck myself. Don't need much, so fuck my wealth.
Gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Tyler Perry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch fun like Jackie Brown. I wanna know but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, girl, no maybe. In the meantime,
Guess I'm doing what I want.
get some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, but mom, my killers don't tell. Shadow.
So guys, I'm just done with cooking the chapos. Ndo nakula. I'll make this stew later on, and these chapatis are so nice. They're so soft, very nice. I'll actually just cook some beans later on during the day because it's at 3, so maybe around 7 I'll just cook some beans. But for now I just need to go and rest because I've been doing a lot and I'm so fatigued. I'll deal with the fridge later on, maybe tomorrow morning or today night when I feel like I have the energy to do everything. My headache has cleared. I think the tea that I took imetuliza the headache a bit, so I'll talk to you guys at night or before I sleep.
Just feel good. It's done just feel good. It's done just feel good. Done just feel. Just put the record. Just put the record. If they like the chop or the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. But so play me a mouse. You go do you one time, I'll be for one time. I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk that's what they fly like a helicopter. Nobody grace of God and inshallah we they move. Question, but they no get the answer. 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 Answer. Bossa, we will do. Lego sing a salad when you they move. See green light when I look at you. Last time I take picture with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I know, see what you do. See when we go get a wild like Sulesu. Got to one you console. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk that's what they fly like a helicopter. Nobody grace of God and inshallah we they move. Question, but they no get the answer. 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 When you go in, Grammy. Question, but they no get the answer. Answer. Done just feel good. It's done just feel good. It's done just feel good. Done just feel. Just put the record. Just put the record. If they like the chop or the tomato, then no go catch up. Oh yeah, come bear no. But so play me a mouse. You go do you one time, I'll be for one time. I'm not to buy mess up. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up, man no be God up. Make them they talk that's what they fly like a helicopter. Nobody grace of God and inshallah we they move. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer. Question, but they no get the answer.
with you. Now my cassava where you they look. When I say I know, see what you do. See when we go get it, why I like to listen. Got to money console. Anything you wish me, that be a passion. Bad man no they walk up. Man no be God. Make them they talk. I see they flying like helicopter. Nobody grace of God and inshallah we they move. Question, but they no get the answer. 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 When you go in, mommy. Question, but they no get the answer.
Hey guys, I'm back from the salon. I feel like I'm just obsessed with this style of hair. Sijui mbona. Anyway, just got my hair done. It's looking all nice. I'm looking all pretty. It's so cold. That's when you wear a sweater. In Nairobi, currently, it's so freaking cold. Like, it's crazy. Anyway, I went to before I left for the salon, I managed to clean and also arrange some things in my fridge. What's left is I'll fill up my oil and what is it called, soy sauce jars, and also fill my groceries and breakfast things because my counter is a mess. So I think that's what I'll do. But first I want to charge my phone because I think it got 2%. Imalize kucharge and then I'll talk to you guys later, and then feed also my cats. I'll talk to you guys later. Let me just do that right now. So guys, I've finished refilling everything. That's where my spices are normally at, but I've not restocked on my spices because I barely cook. And my paper towel, Weetabix on the front, cornflakes, and then choco flakes, my absolute favorite. We have some sauce over there, vinegar, soy sauce, and then at the back right there is my cooking oil and my, what is it called, chopping board right over there. And then we have my lighter and the kitchen scissors. So this is how my countertop looks like, and it's just basically very clean, and I can access anything that I want. That's like the most important part, because I honestly don't like it being very cluttered, because I won't even function in the kitchen. So I have like enough area to cut my everything that I want to use when I'm cooking, and I can access everything over there without having to go back and forth from the fridge. So this is basically everything. Also, I also arranged this pantry area over here, the rice, baking flour, some sugar, spaghetti. I still have this pastas bado, more cornflakes over there. Still kama ni cornflakes ama ni nini, indomie mingi, some more spaghetti, my cooking oil, some Weetabix, and other stuff behind there. So yeah, everything is done. Yep.
But it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Only gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want.
Hey guys, today is the next day. I'm so tired, as you can see. I'm just from work. I woke up at 3 a.m. to solve some work issues that needed to be solved. It's currently 1 p.m. So I'm just tired. A job like my sweater is like on my waist. Like, I'm so tired. I'm freaking tired. Anyway, so I just passed by the place where I normally get my tripods and my lights things to get a mini tripod, because sometimes I just want to vlog nataka kutumia tuka tripod hapa juu, and I have to assemble sorry, and I have to assemble this tripod over here na ni refu, and sometimes maybe I just want to work like nataka record something like at this level, so I have to assemble it. It's just crazy, and I was just like, let me just go get myself mini tripod. So I did that, and I'm so tired. I want to just show you guys the tripod, go and shower, have something light to eat, and then take a nap because I'm so freaking tired. I've been working since 3 a.m. Anyway, let me just show you guys the tripod. The vlog has been all over the place, but at least I tried to vlog. I tried. So at least I feel better. At least sijakosa ku vlog the whole week because I was busy. It has been a very super busy week, but I'm so grateful. So let me just show you guys the tripod. Here you go. This is the tripod. Inakuja na a Bluetooth shutter. Yeah, let me just show you guys how it looks. Let me just unbox it right here, Oh, I'm so tired. This is how it looks like. It's very strong. Like whenever you don't want to buy a 500, but honestly speaking, yeah, 500 inakaa tu kuvunjika. Let me not lie. And I was like, let me just take this professional one. Like it looks so good. Now in extend kidogo too. Yeah. This one was 1500, but maybe bargain to 1300 because mini customer out for. This is the Bluetooth shutter. Alafu hii ndio kitu ya kufix hapa ama hapa, whichever you want. So I'm just sorted for now. Let me just start manifesting a camera. Hii tripod ni kubwa, just needs a camera, but I like it. At least inaweza ingia kwa handbag and now I can like vlog vizuri bila kushika simu hivi because sometimes inachosha. So this is just okay for me. Just in addition, ndo nifanya proper unboxing. Maybe I'll just post on TikTok or something. Because yeah. Anyway, I'll talk to you guys later. Let me just feed my cat because I'm not sure she's so hungry. Because I'm not going to 24/7. And then take a shower, prepare something light to eat, and then take a nap. Because yo, today drained me. I've done more than enough for today. But then I realized I don't show you my cat like regularly. This is my cat. Her name is Oreo. Say hi, Mama. She's so pretty and she has a fluffy tail. She's the prettiest cat ever. Say no, Mama. Baby. Mama. Oh, she's so cute. Look at her. She's so adorable.
Only been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life moves fast when you doing what you want. At this time, doing what I want. Hope you doing what you want. What you want?
My new bitch look like Halle Berry, but she don't love me, she too scary. My old bitch front like Jackie Brown. I wanna know, but she too down. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, yeah, no maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.
Hope you doing what you want.
Crib by the beach like Odell. No, I'm on my killers, don't tell. Shadow my mom, cause I knew you off the shelf. Now my bitch is Chanel. Will you be my leading lady? I want a contract, get a little maybe. In the meantime,
It's not going what I want.
need some me time.